welcome back to a new vlog, a new home. Yeah, this is going to be our home for a couple of days. Wherever family is, that is our home, right? So I thought I will share with you some of the moments that we have here and how we are spending our time. I didn't show you the beach up and close, right? Let me show you that first. That is the gem of this house, the view from here. So while sitting in the balcony here, this is the beautiful beach view, and there you can see far away there is a ship. Long distance from here, and look at that sky, the beautiful sun rising there just behind the clouds, and the sun is just coming. It's a bit chilly out here. Actually, when you go near the beach, it's kind of windy, but the kids spend so much time sitting here in these two chairs, and Adi just dreams and sits here. He writes something, and Anjali likes, this is a rocking chair, so she was initially scared to sit on this. It's actually so huge, okay? Look at that. But the view, I must say, it's gorgeous. I just prepared some tea and gave it to my husband, and by the time the sun is already up, ready for this day. But the kids are still sleeping, and usually I spend some time here, calm space, and before they wake up, the cars are driving by. So the space that we are renting is actually, since it's off season, right, it's quite empty. There are hardly 3 or 4 cars in this whole, it's like an apartment sort of flat sort of thing, and we are at the 3rd floor, so it's not at all crowded, very few people. This is off season because it's comparatively cooler, not the right warm weather that we would expect in a beach, but it is definitely a break from the place that we are staying. There is a huge snowstorm in Pennsylvania, I guess, so we barely escaped that while we were driving. And yeah, and when it's sunny, it's quite warm, and sometimes it's too windy near the beach, so that point of time it becomes a little cooler. But since we are coming from there, it's manageable. We don't feel that cold. So that's one point of coming here during this period of time. Otherwise, it's usually very crowded and it's difficult to get a spot here. That's what we heard from reviews. And many of you were asking regarding the space and how we are managing. So this trip was planned by my husband. When we were talking about taking a break and going somewhere, because it had been so long that we had been living there, and we were just wanting to take this time off from the usual routine. So when he talked about this 11-12 hour trip, I was a little hesitant because, with kids we have to think about a lot of things, and it's something that we don't look forward to, right? Sitting in the car and for so long. But actually speaking, the time went away so quickly. Time anyway passes, and so it wasn't a big deal to think about actually. And even the kids, they were fine. They slept for some time, they did the coloring thing for some time, and time just passed away. We took stops, we took a little break, had food, and is that a race car or something? Okay. Anyway, it was manageable. The trip was manageable. I think it's time to prepare some breakfast before the kids come in hungry. So let's do that. I'm doing very quick and easy meals, not at all stressing myself on what we usually, do. And it's a change that way also for the kids, a different change in kind of food that we eat, because I also am having a few new recipes to try with me. So I thought if we like it, we'll add it to our family favorites list. So this is the time we are doing all that sort of thing. Nothing crazy traveling all around, but we might go outside today. We'll see. I'll take you when we go. Let's prepare breakfast. Boiling some water here and some noodles. So we'll let the noodles cook for some time. And here I have a mixture of sweet chili sauce, peanut butter, and this toasted sesame dressing. Look who's here! Good morning, Anjali.
Yeah, and I have my mommy with me.
Yes. Good morning, Adi.
Morning.
Oh my goodness.
The rocking chair.
Yes, your favorite. Ready for milk?
Yep. Yeah, take me down, please.
Yes, you look wonderful sitting there.
It was so cool. Can you take me?
Go. Okay.
Please.
Okay, Adi is there to take you.
Really? Okay, that's enough. Okay, put it in the microwave. Big.
Adi loves milk, and he can have any number of times any kind of milk. That is one special point about Adi. He can drink milk without sugar. He can drink milk with sugar, milk with chocolate powder, with milk with any other thing, milk with cocoa powder, anything that you give. If it's milk, he loves it. And I love you, Adi. So
For the trip, my dad gave me this origami set, and I made lots of things yesterday, and I made a goldfish today.
oh, that's nice. Okay, we have to show them everything that you just arrange it there. Okay, we'll show them.
Okay. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of toast in all these. And don't put it up.
Okay, so when we're staying here, I feel after coming to this house, I am really remembering the place that we lived initially when we came here to the US. So at that point of time, everything is in one place. The living room, the dining area, and the kitchen, everything is together, and it's, as soon as you come in. So the layout reminds me of that house. And when the house is smaller, I guess the family grows even more closer. So sometimes when we're looking for a, bigger home and things like that, it's very easy for, everyone to split away to different rooms and not grow close, I guess. So I really like this idea of a smaller place. Okay.
Count it 30 seconds.
Okay.
Ready?
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. That was super duper fast.
6 seconds. These are all the things that we made when my dad doing this origami. Yep, so this is a cat.
Wow. That's beautiful.
And then an ice cream, 2 mushrooms, a crown, some grapes, a house. Oh, a sports car. It's supposed to be this way. A taxi, a watermelon, a goldfish, candy, a rocket ship, a navy shirt, and yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
A lot of hard work. So this is the one, right? That you're using? Origami 72-piece pattern.
And
You
there's
can make 72 different things.
no more than 72 actually.
Mm-hmm. Oh God. Take care of
And
those
you
things.
can make 2 of each thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So if
Yeah.
something goes wrong, you have a chance.
1 more.
They have this. Adi, look, there's a ship coming. Like yesterday. Looking at the ship from a far distance, it's difficult to figure out whether it's coming to our side or whether it's moving further away. But later on, when we see, after some time, you can see the ship just coming closer, right?
Yep, like it comes so quickly.
Yeah.
Like maybe after our flood, it'll be reaching.
Okay, so right now we just sneaked out of the house
Take the next right onto Butler Avenue.
to Butler Avenue and to get a little ride around the Savannah city. Okay, so where are we going first?
We are going to Bonaventure Cemetery.
Bonaventure Cemetery. So Savannah is supposed to be a haunted place. There are many haunted attractions, creepy places, I guess. But this is one of the places I think we could drive through. Not sure. But hopefully we can just go and see what's special there.
It's creepy because there's statues that move and have expressions on their face.
I don't think they would move, Adi.
Yeah, that's what
They
say.
move?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Anjali. Okay, anyway, let's go and see what's in store. So for the cemetery tour, we were just looking at the reviews, and I think there is no guided tour available anyway right now with the situation, but there is an app which you can download, which is a self-guided tour. So we are planning to download.
Yes.
Okay, so let's do that. So this is a 20-25 minute drive from the place we are staying, and so this is the app.
It'll spill, right?
Adi, a school bus is going. There is a school bus that is going. Okay, look at that hanging on the trees.
Spanish moss. Lot of words.
This thing hanging on the trees gives in a lot of shade. And that also looks a little creepy, right? So when we came here, it was really dark, right? So when
Take the next left onto Fennel Street, then turn right onto Bonaventure Road.
we could not actually see what it is, we could just see the hangings, and look at that.
And I thought it was
Continue on
cotton.
Bonaventure Road
Yeah.
for half a mile.
So Adi asked me, Amma, is that cotton? And then we didn't know what exactly that is, and then we looked into what is a tree that is most common here. So it's an oak tree, and that is Spanish moss. But Adi, they say that they are using this Spanish moss for fillings in seats and mattresses. They use these Spanish moss. It's interesting, right? And they use it for decoration.
Turn right to stay on Greenwich Road, then your destination will be on the left.
We are here.
Welcome to your tour app for Bonaventure Cemetery.
So we are exploring this place by walking a little bit. We parked the car there. It's actually a weekday and so there are not many people here. Any visitors? Very few. All the people are mostly who are, employees and who are cleaning this place. Okay, so we're just back from the tour and hubby has gone back to his work. Kids are having their little something, eating something because they were hungry. So I just gave them these, what is that called?
Chicken pot pie?
Yeah, chicken pot pie. From what you're eating, what is your favorite?
Mine is the chicken.
Chicken?
Mine is the cheese cubes. I ate all of them. No, not the chicken. Mine is the crumb.
Krum. Okay.
Yeah,
So I got these, what is that? Salad toppings. These wonton strips. Anjali really likes it. And here I am just sauteing some Brussels sprouts. That is going to be for today's veggies. And I thought I'll prepare a quick salad with some cherry tomatoes. This, and I also have some naan here, which we are going to make the lunch out of. A quick lunch. Having all the plates and vessels, everything here made a huge difference. We didn't have to carry any of that. And everything was clean and well maintained, so that was good. And having a meal planned ready, that was also easy. Actually, one meal that I wanted to make was the pumpkin fried rice. I think that was mentioned in one of the vlogs also where I was planning the meals, but I didn't get the pumpkin puree for that. So in turn changed into this easy Brussels sprouts, tomato, mushroom recipe. This has already been tried. You have tasted this before, right? At home.
Yeah. My face mushroom and Brussels. Brussels.
Mushroom is Anjali's favorite.
Yeah.
Okay, and now we are done with lunch. Anjali has gone to take a nap. Adi is reading his Harry Potter. And I'm just sitting here. I have some work to finish and then we'll probably watch a movie that we have been watching since the past 2 days. Movie marathon is going on here. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give a like. Hope you're all staying healthy and happy. And I'll see you all later. Bye.